Are you looking for a career with excellent job opportunities? Look no further. Welcome to Treaty 4 territory and to Saskatchewan Polytechnic's Moose Jaw campus. Moose Jaw is home of the Snowbirds, the Temple Gardens Mineral Spa, Mac the Moose, and many murals in our historic downtown. It's also a great place to pursue your post-secondary education. Moose Jaw has earned the reputation as the friendly city. Moose Jaw is a small, welcoming community where neighbors look out for each other. There is one main building at Saskatchewan Polytechnic in Moose Jaw, which means you won't be caught running from building to building across a sprawling campus. In your program's workspace, you will have a comfortable learning environment. Saskatchewan Polytechnic offers you practical, hands-on learning and small class sizes, so you will get to know everyone in your program, including faculty and your classmates. When you are not in the classroom, you will have an opportunity to make use of all the other facilities that the Moose Jaw campus has to offer. The Moose Jaw campus has 6 engineering technology programs for you to choose from. So, what does an engineering technologist do? Grads of engineering technology programs work in a variety of fields. They translate the conceptual work of professional engineers into real-world applications. You may end up working in the field, managing city water or construction projects, fine-tuning instrumentation at an industrial site, or problem-solving computer equipment for a business. If you don't want to be stuck behind a desk all day, but love what engineering is all about, this career path is for you. Saskatchewan Polytechnic grads are in demand, with 96% of grads across the organization finding jobs within 1 year of graduation. Graduates of our engineering programs are particularly high in demand, and students will get to experience that firsthand while they are still enrolled in the program. Saskatchewan Polytechnic's co-op education program provides students an opportunity to apply the skills that they have learned in the classroom early on.
We have 15 programs across business, technologies. Students in our program generally have 3 work terms and they get a richer academic experience. Students are making money while they're in school. You can get on with life and you don't just have to worry about this burden of student debt. This definitely helps out so much.
Instrumentation Engineering Technology is one of the engineering technology programs offered in Moose Jaw. It is a 3-year diploma program with 5 academic semesters and 3 paid co-op work terms. It is also the least well-known of the engineering technologies offered at the Moose Jaw campus.
What it involves is the measurement, control, and automation of industrial processes. So we measure different variables, whether they be pressure, temperature, level, flow, anything like that that is involved in the production of any materials or mining or manufacturing. One thing that really sets our program apart is the co-op educational work terms, where they go out and work in the field, get a chance to work with tools in many different industries. Compared to the other instrumentation engineering technology programs in Canada, our co-op work terms give our grads a real benefit and a real advantage over those students with their real life experience.
New students coming in first work term, they could probably expect to earn $20 to $25 an hour range. But by the time they're in their 3rd work term, getting closer to graduation, they're getting up $30 per hour or higher. And so they're earning that kind of money while they're students. Instrumentation students are in very high demand right now. Our placement rate is very near perfect. Most students are finding great success finding work.
I started in 2015 out at Sask Polytech in Moose Jaw, and I was fortunate enough to do my work terms out at Mosaic Belle Plaine, which is awesome since I'm back here now. The great thing about going through Sask Polytechnic is that it's smaller class sizes, so you can expect a lot more peer-to-peer or one-on-one instruction with the instructors. And everybody there is knowledgeable. They've all come from different industries, which is great, so you get a lot of information. I started off as a programmer, that's how I initially started out here. And then I switched it up recently, and now I'm on the tools, kind of out in the field working more hands-on. We are the ones that are right out there, putting out the fires.
Historically, our grads find employment in their chosen field, and they find work throughout the province, throughout the country, around the world. And the future looks really bright for anybody that's coming into or graduating from our program. When you graduate from Saskatchewan Polytechnic's Instrumentation Engineering Technology program, the sky's really the limit.